Wait and see.
The graphical user interface is officially legacy technology. AgentOS just arrived to put the entire concept of the desktop out to pasture. Traditional operating systems rely on event loops that sit idle waiting for a mouse click or a key press. That architecture works for humans, but it renders powerful agents like GPT 5.5 effectively blind because they cannot parse visual layouts to trigger specific functions reliably. AgentOS scraps this entirely by introducing the agent kernel, a system designed to execute intent commands rather than processing graphical inputs. Under this architecture, we stop installing monolithic applications and start deploying skills as modules. A developer does not open a web browser to check the weather. The OS requests a weather module. The module fetches data, and the kernel returns the result directly to the prompt stream. This unified approach eliminates app fragmentation, creating a natural user interface where the user speaks a command, and the system routes the request to the correct functional unit without opening a single window. The friction of forcing LLMs to navigate GUIs is exactly what created the security disaster known as Shadow AI. Employees bypass IT protocols because standard desktops are too slow for agentic workflows, forcing them to connect unsanctioned agents like DeepSeek V4 to company data just to get work done. AgentOS removes the need for these workarounds by providing a native pipeline where software agents interact directly with the system kernel, rather than simulating mouse movements on a screen. When you deploy a script in this environment, you define capabilities as function calls within a manifest file, binding directly to the OS resources. The agent kernel validates these permissions, executes the logic, and feeds the output back into the chain of thought, ensuring zero latency between the decision and the action. This shift moves us from asking a computer to show us a file to telling the system to process the file and return the insight, skipping the visual display layer entirely. The desktop is not evolving. It is being replaced by a command structure that actually speaks the language of artificial intelligence. We have compiled a complete technical breakdown of the agent kernel architecture and a guide for moving your workflows to a natural user interface. Check the description to start building skills instead of apps. Because in 2026, nobody has time to click icons anymore.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.